In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Cash App card balance without using the application. So there's multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this. So number one is to visit the Cash App website on a web browser. So you could do this on like Chrome or Safari, but the point is you want to go ahead and use a web browser, for example, Google, and you just want to go ahead and look up Cash App login right over here, and you could basically log into Cash App on the web browser. So if you're on a mobile device, this is something that you can do. So yeah, basically you would need to go ahead and log in with your phone number, and you will get like a verification code over here. So that is one way that you guys could actually use in order to check your Cash App card balance. You can go ahead and use Cash App on a website instead of an application. Once you're logged in, your balance will be displayed on the activity or money tab. And another way that you guys could use in order to get access to your Cash App card balance is by contacting Cash App customer support. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and call this number right over here, 800 and then 969 right over here, and then 19, and then so this right over here is the Cash App number. So you guys can go ahead and call them, and basically you want to follow the automated prompts or speak to a representative, and you need to verify your account details with the representative when you are prompted to. And then basically all you need to do is you need to ask them for your current balance, and then they will provide you with your balance. Keep in mind that this number is active from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time, so guys, please keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.